everybody, welcome to Kay's Toys. Can you say Kay's Toys?
Kay's Toys.
Yes. Guess what, Kay? Today is the 6th of December. That means there are only 19 days to go until Christmas, including today.
Number 6. Can you help me?
Of course, because today is the 6th of December, we get to open door number 6. How about you kids? Have you found door number 6 on your advent calendar? Why don't you open them together with us? Okay? Yes, let's open door number 6. Where is it again? Okay, it's right here.
There's Santa Claus inside here.
Do you think? Oh, there's only one way to find out. Let's open it. Open it. Whoa! What is that? It's an elf or a person or something. Look! I think it's an elf. Is it one of Santa's elves? I'm not sure, but it looks really cute. Look at that! Isn't that awesome? Ooh, and you can move his arms, and
She tried to train.
you can move his head, and you can move his legs. He can stand up and he can sit down. That is so cute. So how many surprises do we have so far? Six surprises! So we got a present, a gingerbread man, a snowman, an elf, and 2 train tracks. That is awesome! I think our train seat is coming along, isn't it? I'm so excited to find out what we get tomorrow. How about you kids? Did you open your advent calendar today? Why don't you leave us a comment below and let us know what you got, okay? And we'll see you again tomorrow for another surprise. Bye! Subscribe for more videos. And if you like this one, give it a thumbs up and share.